To remove the seats, well, just lift it up as like a strap, and then step on this side also. The seat folds forward, and then there's your cozy. Crappy part is, like I thought, the thing is held down. You need to take this off, and it's held down with glue. Yay! You can just sort of pry it open. Ow. Okay, so let's put much out the way. Crappy part is you can't really lift this assembly without removing these out the way. Not too much. Let's get the ring off first. Oh, brilliant. Fuel sending in. There's the bus. Underneath, take it out the door. So here's the new one. Fourth number.
Yeah, but that's all you need.
And that's it. The I'll get it out. I'll wiggle it around like that a few times. There. Yeah, and then Bob's your uncle. That's how you do it. Oh, also when you start the car, it's gonna swing and not start for a bit. But you'll see it take. If it doesn't take, check if your wires are in the pump here, and obviously check for leaks. Other than that, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more and catch my shenanigans or whatever else I'm doing. But yeah, that's it. Cheers. Have a good weekday. Yeah. See ya.